Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some Christmas DIYs, but these can be used throughout winter. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Starting with my first project from Dollar Tree, I will be using this photo frame. Now this is new to me and I think it's new to Dollar Tree as well. So I'm going to remove the beads. The next step is optional. I did want my background to be darker, so I added some Waverly Antique Wax. The background is already pretty as is, so you can't leave it like this. I will be adding Let It Snow to this. The smaller little letters are from Walmart. I didn't have an L, so I did cut the F to make the L. For the word snow, I'm using the Dollar Tree wood letters. And for the O, I will be using a Dollar Tree snowflake. I'm going to paint them white using the Waverly chalk paint. Once they are dry, I'm going to add them to my sign. Now, I did add these more towards the top because I will be adding some greenery underneath Let It Snow. The greenery I will be using is from Hobby Lobby, but Dollar Tree carries some pine picks that you can use instead. To finish this off, I will be making a burlap bow using this ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add it in between the pine picks. And that is it for this beautiful Let It Snow sign. For this project, I will be using another of these Dollar Tree frames, and I'm going to repeat the same thing. Remove the beads, paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax. Then instead of adding words, I will be adding this snowflake that I got from Dollar General. And the beads, I'm using these that I already had, which are painted white already. I got these from Dollar Tree. You can't paint the ones that came with this frame instead if you don't have any of these white ones, but that's the only reason I used the white beads, is because I already had them white and I didn't have to paint them. The next thing I will be doing is adding the snowflake in between the beads. I did add a total of 14 beads. I glued the snowflake so it didn't move around. I then glued the end of the jute twine to the corners. To finish this off, I will be making a little bow using this burlap ribbon that I got from Michael's and add it in the center of the beads. And that is it for this snowflake winter sign. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree frame. I'm going to remove the back and the image this has. The scrapbooking paper I'm using is from Michaels. I'm going to cut it to size, then I'm going to glue it using my Elmer's craft glue stick. When I'm finished, I'm going to put the back on the frame, and then I'm going to just set it to the side. Now, what I'm going to add on the frame is this Dollar Tree snowflake, which it's like a clear snowflake, so I am going to add a little bit of white just so it can stand out more. I'm going to glue the snowflake on the frame. Even though it is a little bit bigger, I am not cutting the little extra pieces off. I'm going to just leave them like that. To finish this off, I will be adding some pine picks in the center with a bow, and that is it for this beautiful snowflake decor. For my next project, I will be using this other frame that I got during the fall season. I'm going to remove the back and remove this 3D picture. I was going to try to remove everything, but I couldn't. It was kind of hard. So instead, I will be using the back. I will be using the leftover scrapbooking paper, but because I didn't have enough, I'm only using half of it. And for the other half, you can paint it, but then I had this piece of decor sign that I felt like it went perfect on this, and I did have to cut it a little bit, and I painted it white. Adding the back piece back on the frame. Now I'm going to glue this piece of decor sign here. I have these poster sticker letters that I got from Michaels a while back, so I'm going to add the word winter. I'm going to hang some snowflakes from this yarn, so I did lift up the board just a little bit so I can add them underneath. And then I added the snowflakes. Now I'm adding some of the Dollar Tree wood snowflakes, and then I'm adding some other white little ornament snowflakes that I also got from the Dollar Tree. And that is it for this winter sign. Look how beautiful this turned out. My next project is going to be so quick and easy. I am using this LED candle that I already had, but Dollar Tree carries candles that you can use instead. I'm also using this fur that I got from Dollar General. It was only $1. Going to glue it around the candle. Then I'm going to add some burlap ribbon. And that is it. To finish it off, I will be adding some greenery with a small bow. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.